Sweet and Sour Fish, Virgin Beach Style, is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu vlog number 48. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're still here in California, but dreaming of being at the resort. We have an a la carte menu in our restaurant, and the sweet and sour fish is one of the entrees. It's only 150 pesos. We're open for business, so we hope
Hello
you'll come by and
guys.
see us. Don't forget to like,
Today we're gonna
subscribe, and
cook
share.
sweet and sour rabbit fish. And our cook of the day is Mommy LB. Hello, Mommy.
Hi.
Let's start cooking now. Okay guys, let's start cooking. First we're gonna add the garlic. The ginger, and the onion. Let's put them together. Stir a little bit until it's change its color. Just add the soy sauce and vinegar, the carrots and celeval. Simmer for a few minutes. Add water. And add the tomato sauce, ketchup, and add the green peas. Last is the tidbits pineapple. To complete the recipe. And wait for a few minutes until it's done. And now guys, let's now taste. Okay guys, it is our finished product of our sweet and sour fish a la carte Virgin Beach style.